Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is November 13th, 2022. Today, irregular verb game. 10 questions. It will start easy. Number 1. Jennifer, here every day. She, here yesterday. She has, here many times today. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Jennifer comes here every day. She came here yesterday. She has come here many times today. All three of those are worth 1 point. Number 2, Bob, there every day. He, there yesterday. He has, there many times this year. Bob goes there every day. He went there yesterday. He has gone there many times this year. And when we speak quickly, he has go together. We just say he's. He's gone there. Number 3, you, your hat on every day. You, your hat on yesterday. You have your hat on twice today. Put. You put your hat on every day. You put your hat on yesterday. You have put your hat on twice today. Bob, money every day. He, money yesterday. He has very much money in his life. This is a very bad act. This is when you take money that doesn't belong to you. Bob steals money every day. He stole money yesterday. He has stolen very much money in his life. Number 5, we bread every day. We bread yesterday. We have lots of bread today. This is an action you do with your mouth and with your teeth. Bite, bit, bitten. But when we speak quickly, bitten. Number 6, you, a book every day. You, a book yesterday. You have a book many times. This is this motion. Please look at me like this. Also in an earthquake. Everything shake, shook, shaken. Number 7. They, money, every day. They, money, yesterday. They have very much money. This is when you put money somewhere and you don't want anybody to find it. Especially Bob, because remember, Bob steals money. Hide, hid, hidden. Number 8. She, a picture, every day. She, a picture, yesterday. She has many pictures, today. This is on paper with a pencil, like this. Draw, drew, drawn. Number 9. Bob, angry, every day. He, angry, yesterday. He has angry many times today. Become, became, become. It's the same as number 1. Come, came, come. And the last one is to prove that something is true. Do you know the other 2 forms for prove? Number 2 is proved, just like a regular verb. But number 3 is proved or proven. They're both correct. In today's game, word number 5, bite, is also a noun. Number 6, shake, is also a noun. Number 8, draw, is also a noun. It means a tie, for example, in a soccer game. We are using the Sphano Vocabulary 8000. It is the 8,000 words that you need to be fluent. Game over! How did you do? Was it easy or difficult? Do you think irregular verbs are hard? What time did you wake up this morning? I woke up. Very nice. Last night, what time did you go to bed? I went to bed. Yes, you're doing very well. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.